This is the performance summary for the weekly reversion strategy for week ending June 12th. Let's start by inputting the current account balance into the spreadsheet. Now, some of you may notice that the account value on June 5th is half of what it used to be. And that's because I transferred half the account value to another account. So I'm going to start trading another strategy. So the dollar gain on that starting balance was 1674, which was a pretty huge gain of 9.9%. And these were the 5 stocks held in the portfolio. And as we can see, it was all concentrated in semiconductor related stocks. The semis sector happened to be a little oversold last week, so the strategy piled into these stocks and made a huge gain because of it, because there was a big rebound in semiconductors. First one was AMAT, Applied Materials. That one was up huge, 19%. And this is how the trade in AMAT looked. Bit of a sell-off the prior week, and so got in here Monday, sold here on Friday for a 19% gain. Next one is AMD, up 5.5%. Similar pattern, got in here and got out here. Next one is Intel, up 12.2%. Got in here Monday, sold here Friday. Next one is LRCX, Lam Research. That one was up 15%. In here and out here. And the last is Micron, up 4.6. Here we got in, here we got out. Let's input the current balance into the cumulative tab. So this is what the cumulative equity curve looks like. For those of you who've been watching my videos, you might notice the graph looks a little different now. Just to simplify things, I reset the track record to when I made the algorithm change, which was in April of 2025. So now I'm able to compare it versus the benchmark S&P 500. So the yellow line is the actual growth of my account. So we're almost caught up to the benchmark. Hopefully surpass it very soon. And let's look at the back-tested performance over the long term. So the backtest goes from 94 to present date. And over that time, the strategy's annualized return is 20%. Compared to about 9% for the benchmark, S&P. And year-to-date, the strategy is up 20.1%. And that's what the equity curve looks like. So if you'd like to learn more about weekly reversion, or you'd like to become a subscriber and receive my emailed stock picks once a week, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Link is below. Thank you.